Area, welcome to Football in Pidgin. Arsenal 2, Liverpool 2. I will get my oga for here. We'll be saying now, Bonge Arsenal fan. Make it tell us how you see the match and the prediction and the view for inside the match today.
Well, I see the match and a strong match against Arsenal. As a draw, so I say happy, sha. But it better pass lose.
Okay, now, so who you go feel say now be your player of the match for this game for Arsenal and Liverpool?
Me, I think Saka will be the player of the match of this game to me.
Okay, no problem. So, like this now, so the title race, what do you feel now say Arsenal still gets? Whether Arsenal still go fit win this league or na still Man City go come up? How you see Arsenal now for the league title?
That question hard, sha. But I not be saying Arsenal will win the league title because I be Arsenal fan. So nobody go say a team will lose. I say hope say Arsenal will win the title because our next match na Man City. If we play draw against Man City or win them, we still get hope for the title.
And what would they watch the match just now? So some people they complain about the ref, say the ref not do better officiating. How you see that talk and how you see that view for the game?
And the ref kill the match. That not be like he kill the match. As in the thing will tire everybody when they watch the match. Even myself I vex on the ref based on the way they officiate the game. See firing when they blow against Arsenal. And we not supposed to be so. When I put pressure for Arsenal, make Arsenal they play their normal game. Even when 6 seconds and I make Arsenal go back finish. And that's number one thing I see for the game. And ref not kill the game first.
Okay, now more talk about Gabriel Jesus. He does score 3 goals now since when he come back. What do you feel about the man? He don't pick back from after that long-term injury.
Yes, he don't pick back from, but he never hits the peak when they go like when we play for pre-season. Okay. You know, say they score back to back when we play for pre-season. So when he go the injury, so when he come back, so just score 3 goals or how many matches? Not be 2 matches, I be 3 matches. So we see they come on, but we know say he will still pick.
All right, now no problem. Thank you for.